ሳይ ሰላም፣
ሰላም
እንዴት ናችሁ?
እንዴት ናችሁ?
ማይ ጋድ ሚድል ኦፍ ደ ዴይ ነው የወጣ ነው። ፀሐይዋን ፈልገናት። አሁን አየሩ በጣም መጥፎ አየር ነው አሁን ላይ ያለው።
Why it's sunny?
Huh?
How we can see it's sunny already?
You cannot see?
No, it's sunny already, but how we can see?
We cannot see?
No.
Maybe if we turn on this side, you can see? Hmm?
Turning that side.
Need to wear. That's why we need to wear a glass. That's why I need to wear a glass.
I want water.
Yeah.
Mom, what will happen if we make wee in the water?
And which water?
That water, the one is there.
Record እያደረገ ነው. We cannot make. Nothing will happen. Oh my God! Wow! ውሃው እንዴት እንደተበላሸ ላሳያችሁ። ሆፕ ይታያችኋል ብዬ አስባለሁ። ወይኔ ጉዴ! ይሄ ውሃ ማለት እኮ በጣም ንጹህ ነበር። ኦኬ በጣም ተበላሸ በጎርፉ ምክንያት። ምንም አይታይም፣ ቆሽሿል። They're tired. They want to sleep.
Play. Where's the play? Mama, actually I saw the one bird is trying to fly, but they cannot because they're tired.
Ah, really? So that's why they've been sleeping. So
Mama, come on, let's go. You said we're going to go.
maybe
to
she
the
have
play.
get hurt.
Come on, let's go to play. You said we're going to play. Come on, let's play. Done. Eva, don't scare her. Eva, say don't scare her. Don't scare her. Don't scare her. Mama,
Yeah, mama.
can you go to the playground?
Yeah, where are going? Come over here. Come over here. No, it's not safe. ሴፍ ያልሆነ ነገር ቦታ ትወዳላችሁ።
Wow. I like how they... Mama, can we go to the playground one? That one down there? That playground?
Where are we going? You're going there exactly. You're always going there. The same place. That's only one place, the playground, right? Where else you going?
We can pick one thing. Mama, I want to pick... I want to be in the trampoline, that one. Yeah, because yesterday we never been there. But yesterday, only one
This
time we...
this is the one I don't forget, but it is the weather, because of the weather, not stable weather.
But I want to go to that trampoline one. That trampoline one. Down the trampoline, down the humanist trampoline, that's the one I want.
No. That one not nice. I told you that is not perfect one. They just manually they are making you up and down, right? No, that's not nice.
Up and down.
That's not nice, and I will never recommend anybody's.
There?
That's not working. That's not how trampoline work. No. You should have reached by yourself down and then step on it, and it will make you up. That is fun. Not people making you up and down.
How we go to this one? This is more fun. We like this one. We like this one.
Okay. I don't know if there is anybody.
Too cool.
Yes. They want to play.
They want to play.
Yeah, በዚህ ሰዓት መተን አናውቅም. We are normally coming evening time, right? Evening always is opens. But now it is closed.
Why?
Because in this time nobody, we're in the middle of the day we're coming. In this time nobody will come out. Why we came out? Because of the sun. Because the sun is not stable. It's like going, coming, going, coming. If we wait a little bit in the evening, it may rains. You see now also it's no sunny, it's kind of windy, right? Like coming, going, coming, going. that means like not stable weathers, so we can't rely on it to wait for the evening times. That's the reason we came out. So but unfortunately it's not opening, so we can have
McDonald's, yes, McDonald's.
yeah, we'll
How
go.
about this one?
It's this also they're completely closing when
But
they
I
open.
see people.
Yeah, for the delivery only.
Oh, this is only for delivery, no sitting.
Yeah.
Just go to McDonald's.
So ለ ይሄ ለወተር ብቻ ነው ለዚህ ለምንድነው ለወተር ፋውንቴን ነስ ኖት ፋውንቴን ላይክ እንደዚህ ብቻ በውሃ የሚጫወቱበት ብቻ ነው የተከፈተው። ሌላው ኢቭኒንግ ታይም ነው የሚከፈተው። ታይም ራሱ አያውቁትም። ለዛ ደግሞ ልብስ ያስፈልጋቸዋል።
There's a bucket there and you
አያችሁ ነው ስኬምስ the sun right? አሁን ደግሞ ፀሐይ
I'm feeling hot.
okay.
Mama, we go to this one.
It's closed, everything is closed as you can see.
How about the McDonald's?
Okay, we'll go
Mama, how about
McDonald's.
McDonald's? Mama, how about the McDonald's? Is it closed?
ፊሻ የሆነ ፔሽን ነገር አታለች ትግስት አታለች የሆነ ትግስቷ ተሟጧል።
McDonald's open?
We need to go to see.
I have to tell you something. There's a bucket there and that fountain swimming pool. And when it's filled up, it was splashing us.
Yes, that is one of the fun stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And actually, I don't like water in my face, but sometimes I like.
This is every water will come to your face just for information.
Yes, but I will close my eyes.
Yes, it's like
Now
that.
we're going to have goggles.
Can
Goggles.
Can I see your face? What's wrong with your face here? I see like red dot. Can I see it? Show me. Why you have red? Okay. Now we need to go back to eat McDonald's. Right? Okay, let us walk back there and eat McDonald's. Oh, McDonald had a for oh.
Mama, how about that one? Doesn't have a space.
ሰው በስተመጨረሻ መቅዶናልድ ሄድን በላን። እኔም ኮፌን ጠጣሁኝ። እነሱም ተደሰቱ። ቁርአን ተሰጣቸው። ላይቭ ገብተን ነበረ። ያው እዚህ ጋር ፎቶ አስገባሁላችሁ። ይሄን ይመስላል። ቴንክ ዩ ፎር ዋቺንግ ባይ